Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shayla Essence for those who do not know me. So today I haven't did a review in such a long time. I haven't been on my channel in such a long time, but I am back. So today I am bringing you guys a review on this Beauty Forever hair. So honestly I done had this hair for like 4 months now, 4 to 5 months now, but I put it in and then I took it out just because I got tired of long hair. Now it's my birthday and I was like, let me go back to this hair because I really did like it. So when I received the hair probably like within about 3 to 4 days, probably less than that. And then the packaging was really nice. I love when companies package their hair very nicely. It came in a nice box. I really wish I could show y'all the box, but it done been quite a minute since I seen the box. So it came in a box and it had Beauty Forever logo on it. The bundles came really nice and it had a Beauty Forever sticker around it. And the sticker also lets you know like which length each hair was. So I ordered a 2020, 1818, and a 16-inch frontal. The first time I brought this hair, I only did 3 bundles, which it was still thick. I personally just wanted to be thicker because I like thick hair. So the first time I did it, I just did a 2020, 18, 16-inch frontal. That's the first time I did it. The second time I did it, I kept the 20, and I just added an extra 18-inch bundle to make it really, really thick. Honestly, I can't sit here and say too many complaints about the hair. The first time I did wear it, I did not have much shedding. It did not come with a corn smell. It didn't have no type of smell to the hair or anything. The hair body wave, that is the texture I do have in it, came out to be very nice. Even when I washed it, even to this day when I wash it, I still have a wave in it, and this is after 4 months. I wore it for a month. I done had it in for a couple of weeks now. I've been straightening the hair, curling the hair. I done been to the beach in the hair because I just came back from Myrtle Beach. I've been doing so much in this hair to where it holds. It's beautiful. I really can't say too many complaints about it. Does it shed? No, not really. I mean, but any hair does have a typical minimal shedding. So, of course, you should expect that. But as in, like, me just running my hands through the hair and it's just, like, pulling out, no, I didn't get that. I did color the hair jet black just because I like jet black hair. I don't like the natural brown hair. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the frontal. The hair itself, like bleaching the knots, you could tell it does take bleach really well because I let it sit just a tad bit long, but I went back and fixed it. But you can see like where the roots was turning a little blonde, so okay, I know the hair does take bleach well. If you guys do have any questions about this hair, please let me know. I am going to post a video on how I curled this hair because these curls are really nice. But see, 20 inches come down to like, where is it? Right here to me. Me personally, I don't go past 20 because 22, we hitting ass length now. That's just way too much for me. But other than that, this hair is really, really good. If anybody do purchase this hair, please let me know because I love seeing other people's videos. I love seeing people how they style their hair. So please drop pictures down for me. Tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram is ShaylaEssence_. I'm more on Instagram now than I am on Snapchat. So if you do follow me on Snapchat, just know I may not post on there all the time. But Instagram, I am always on Instagram now. But yeah, let's just take a look at this hair. Got some straightaways, but it's okay. And it curls really good. The first time I had curled this hair for my birthday, but I realized I just did flexi rods, no heat, no nothing, and I didn't really put nothing on it. So when I went outside to go take my photos for my birthday shoot, it didn't really hold. But me doing it with my curler, my curls are really like popping right now. Like it didn't even last this long the first time I curled this hair. So yes, guys, I hope y'all really enjoy this. I'm really feeling myself. There's no makeup game like that. I'm really feeling it. So please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. I'll be dropping all that stuff down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.